Hello, back again. We're here for another late night presentation. It's like 1 something in the morning. Yeah, 1:05 in the morning. And I'm still up, still a lot of energy. And I just thought we could continue with what we had done previously, which was we were doing the name of nations. And before we did from Asia to to Africa, okay, and that was a lot. But today we have even more countries to cover. We're gonna do Europe to Oceania. Europe to Oceania. That's a lot of countries. Do you know where Oceania is? Uh, yeah, or what islands and countries are in Oceania? Yeah, there's a big one. There's a big one. We're gonna get to it too. Okay. Um, so let's get into it. We're going to start with Europe and go to Oceania. There is no order here, okay? No order at all. I just don't want to mix up. I don't want to mix up Oceania and Europe. I want them all to present themselves separately. I want Oceania to be separate and Europe to be separate. I don't want to mix them up. So you have like Papua New Guinea in Europe or something. You don't want that. Okay, so we've now separated them. Now ready to go. Here we go. First country, and I'm gonna try to do this so I can put it in a 9:16 ratio and go next time. Here we go. Yeah, let's start. Estonia. 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 Love this flag. I love the black and blue. It's awesome. Black, blue, and white. Next one. Croatia. 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 And that's how I pronounce it. If you think it's pronounced wrong, let me know. Let me know in the comments. Slovakia. 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 Okay? Slovakia. You see the flag? Okay. Cool. Montenegro. 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 Get a good look. Ooh, look at that flag. Should have done the other ones like that too. Sorry. Hungary. 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 Austria. 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 Okay. Here we go. Oh, smallest country in Europe. That the Vatican. 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 I think. Okay, here we go. Romania. 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 Look at this. Here we go. Denmark. 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 Germany. 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 Here we go. Finland. 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 Sweden. 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 This is awesome because I'm doing like 2 streams here, doing TikTok and I'm doing YouTube, so this is pretty cool. Here we go. Norway. 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 Here we go. Orlando in some parts of the world. Also the Netherlands. Okay. Netherlands. 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 Belgium. 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 All right. Russia. 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 Here we go. Latvia. 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 Shoo, get that flag. That's cool. Portugal. 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 Here we go. Ukrainia. 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 Depend. I think I've heard it also pronounced Ukrainia, but I'm going to say Ukrainia. Okay. Poland. 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 Italy, Italy, Italy. Here we go. Oh, Switzerland, Switzerland, Switzerland. Okay, got it? Here we go. Belarus, Belarus, Belarus. All right. Ireland, 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 Ireland. If I say your country, let me know. If I miss your country, tell me. If you're in Europe and you don't see your country, let me know. I'll see what happens. I'll see if I can find that flag, okay? Spain, 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 okay? Ah, Iceland, 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 Iceland. Bulgaria, Bulgaria, Bulgaria. Slovenia, Slovenia, Slovenia. All right. Greece, Greece, Greece. All right. France, France, France. Okay. Here we go. Yes. Lithuania, 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 Lithuania. Czech Republic, Czech Republic, Czech Republic. Okay. Great Britain, Great Britain, Great Britain. And Serbia, Serbia, Serbia. All right. Now, if you didn't hear your country, put it in the comments below, okay? And I'll see if I can find that flag, okay? These are just the ones I have, okay? Pardon, okay? Pardons if I didn't say your country. I think I didn't say Portugal. I don't have the Portugal flag here. You know, I have students in Portugal. Hello. Sorry, guys. Okay, Oceania. Okay, Oceania, the place that's below. We're gonna hit a few countries that are in Oceania. Biggest one, Australia. Australia, Australia. Papua New Guinea. I love saying that name. Papua New Guinea. Okay, Papua New Guinea. And the other one, I only have this other one. New Zealand. New Zealand. New Zealand. All right. Okay, we covered it. We did it. We did it. Woohoo! All right. Great. We finished up. We did it way quicker than I thought we'd do it in. Okay, guys. Comment below if you hear a nation you want to hear, or you want to say something at all. Just a nice comment, if you would please. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much. Our students out there in Preply, thank you so much. TikTokers, thanks. I'll see you next time. Until we meet again. Goodbye. Take care.